Jai Srimanarayana. 26th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti vupahritam asnami prayatatmanaha. Om. Krishna never looks into the object that you are offering. Krishna never looks into the size and cost of the object that you are offering. But Sri Krishna Paramatma definitely cares about how much of love you are putting in every of your service. Purpose behind your service to Sri Krishna Paramatma should be just serving. Thinking about Sri Krishna Paramatma should be the purpose behind thinking about Sri Krishna Paramatma. Do not have any agenda behind loving Sri Krishna Paramatma, serving Sri Krishna Paramatma, thinking about Sri Krishna Paramatma. Dedicate every moment, every action and all your life in service of Sri Krishna Paramatma with utmost love which is coming from the bottom levels of your heart. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, I shall serve you because I cannot stop serving you. O Krishna, I shall always think about you because I cannot stop thinking about you. O Krishna, I realize this life is given by you so that I dedicate all my life in service of you. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 102nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Garga Mahamuni did naming ceremony to Balarama Krishna and saying to Nanda like this about Sri Krishna. O Nanda, whoever loves Sri Krishna, they will not have to scare from anything. Nobody can defeat them. No enemies can capture them. Tasmat Nanda Atmajoyam Te Narayana Samogunaihi. Your son Sri Krishna is Sakshat Sriman Narayana. That is why you all try to take care of Sri Krishna with all of your love, affection and Shraddha, attention. Like that Garga Mahamuni said to Nanda and then left from there. After that, realizing all these facts, Nanda started feeling very lucky and very happy. Then in few days, Balarama Krishna, they started crawling on their knees. Janubhyam saha panibhyam ringamano vijakratuhu janubhagamulan hastamulun vidvadanchesi niguduchun poduru. The beautiful form they have, Balarama and Krishna, beautiful physique they have, with their such a beautiful, handsome body, while putting their hands on the floor and putting their knees on the floor, they started crawling on the floor. So that scene is such a beautiful scene. Not only that, avvala payyadalu andi javvaduduru, they started catching the saris of their mothers and they hang to that. Alakre pulatokalun alami patti viduvanneraka vani venu ventan jaruguduru. They used to catch the tails of calves while they are running. This Balarama and Krishna were used to be dragged by them. Like that, while doing so many beautiful activities, Balarama and Krishna, they are making everyone happy in that Nanda Vrajam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 26th sloka. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti vupahrutam asnami prayatatmanaha. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti vupahrutam asnami prayatatmanaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.